Morning time. Merry Christmas and Christmas Day right here, right now. Your small block in Maryland is working on some radios. Cobra 29. This one here is done. I just got this one done this morning. But both of them are the new style front mic plug. And like I said earlier on Facebook, typical hack. D11 clipped. And who the hell clips R55? Right there. Who the hell does that imbalancing shit? Anyway, put them back together, tune them out correctly. Look good on the scope, good watts. And give them back to the customer. He'll put them in his work trucks and be doing 45, 50 watts out of these radios. Doing good. So, there you go. Merry Christmas, everybody. Check us out on YouTube. And we'll see you all around, man. I'm gone now.